Best platforms for creating psychology lecture videos. Psychology content can be complex, but the right visuals and narration can simplify it beautifully. InVideo AI helps transform psychology lectures into dynamic video content with zero editing experience required. Begin by summarizing your lecture notes or uploading a document. The AI will break it into digestible video segments. Apply matching visuals and generate voiceovers. Topics like cognitive biases, mental health disorders, or psychological theories can now be explained with clarity, using animations and visual metaphors provided by InVideo. Ideal for educators, mental health advocates, or psychology students who want to turn academic content into YouTube or classroom-ready material. Add engaging stock clips, highlight key points with text effects, and publish within minutes. This platform makes even complex topics easy to follow and more visually appealing. Check out the description for the InVideo AI link and try it for your next psychology video project.